Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to use double app on phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your phone settings and then just search here and write here DUAL dual and then tap on dual messenger and scroll down, just tap on dual messenger and then now you can see I can already use WhatsApp, Facebook and Messenger, both two apps. And now I can see you how can use double app. Just tap on Snapchat and now tap on install. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you.